This Telegram bot actually paid me. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about this Telegram bot that pays you daily. It is an investment bot, and also you can choose to do the free part. So the free part is the one I'm doing, so you can also choose to invest. So everything depends on you. So how does this bot work? When you register, you'll be given a $5 free that you have to use to start up your investment. So when you are given the $5 welcome bonus, so when you click on the product, the next thing you have to do is to click on trial product. Is showing free under it. So you click on the trial product, you use that $5 to invest. So now let's click on the trial product. The next thing is for you to click on invest now. Scroll down, you see the button invest now. So when you click on the invest now, you confirm it. The amount $5 that they gave you will be showing. If it's not showing, you can just type in $5. So the amount $5 will be showing. You click on confirm investment. The next one is for you to confirm and place order. When you are done, your order has been placed. So you can now find it at the same product. Click on order at the top side. You can now see your order. So the $5 will yield you $1.30 after 21 days. So every day you'll be getting how many percent of it? 0.0685 daily. So the $5 will only last for the free $5 will only last for 21 days. And take note, the $5 it will not give you $5 or more than as profit because it's free. So in 21 days it can only give you $1.30. So I don't know if you can renew it or the $5 will disappear. That one I don't know. So that's all for the free trial. But if you want to invest, you can just click on the product the same way, put the amount of investment that you want to invest. Take note, the investment always lasts for 21 days and you will get your profit. So apart from the investment part, and every 24 hours you need to come to order to claim. Make sure you always click on order and claim your order every 24 hours. So that's all for this one. So this is the home page. I've already made a withdrawal on this bot and I have received it. The withdrawal proof is on the screen. So if you want to withdraw, assuming you have gotten up to $1, then just click on withdraw. Choose BEP20 address. Make sure it's under BSC. Don't choose Tron. Tron has charges fee. So when you put the Tron the BSC BEP20 address, you put the amount that you want to withdraw and you click on withdraw. This is my withdrawal record, you see, and I got it. So apart from the mining or apart from the 24 hours claim, there is another way you can get dollar, or there's another way you can earn from this bot. So you just click on task. When you click on task, as you can see, the task is under coins. So the first one is for you to check in. When you check in daily, you receive coin as a reward. So the next one is for you to follow their channel. You click on go, you subscribe to their channel and you receive 5,000 coins. The next one is for you to join their group. You receive 5,000 coins. The next one is for the invite reward. The next one is for your first investment if you want to invest. So the first investment will be $5 if you want to invest. The other one is if your invite invested $5, you also receive a reward. So these are the things that you do and you get coins, and these coins can be converted to dollar. So you click on coin exchange. This is it. Click on coin exchange. You can now exchange your coin. Click on all. This I have 10,000 coins. So when I exchange it, I'll be receiving 0.07, and it's going to, after exchange, it's going to go to my balance, and it will add up to the $40 that I have. So it's going to be $47. So the minimum withdrawal on this bot is $1. So when you get up to $1, you can make your withdrawal. 3 ways to earn: from the order, from the that's the $5 that they gave you that you invested, from tasking, and from invite. So if you don't have invite, you can do the 24 hours claiming and the tasking. So check in every day, do the task, follow them, and you receive your coin. Convert the coin to dollar and you can make your withdrawal. Free users withdrawal comes within 24 hours. So if you invest, it's instantly. Subscribe to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button, like, and share this video. You can also join my Telegram channel.